want to make grape seedlings. Here I have scions of a Ukrainian variety to graft onto a local grape rootstock. First, we slice both sides of the scion that we will attach to the rootstock using a sharp and clean razor blade. I am using scions that are brownish or somewhat mature. Next, we wrap the scion with parafilm, but since I don't have parafilm, I'll use plastic wrap instead. However, I won't wrap the bud eye because this plastic is thick, which might prevent the bud from breaking through. One thing to note is that the cuts must be precise. This is the local grape rootstock I have germinated, and its roots are already strong, increasing the chance of success. First, we split the rootstock using a razor blade to match the size of the scion we're inserting. When inserting the scion into the rootstock, it's important to ensure the cambium layers of both are perfectly aligned. If the rootstock is larger than the scion in diameter, align one side of the scion with the rootstock's cambium, like this. Once it fits well, tie it using plastic wrap or other ties to keep it secure. Then wrap the joint again with plastic wrap to prevent it from rotting or drying out. Here is the result of my grafting. Hopefully it grows well. Look at this. Some of the grafted seedlings I made have already started to grow. This process takes about a week or more, depending on the quality of the scion and rootstock used. I'm also growing purple chili plants here using planter bags. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope it's helpful. See you in the next video, and don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you.